Hey y'all, it is once again too dark and yucky to be out griddling, so I've got some pork sauteing, browning in the Emeril Pressure Cooker, and we're going to make some stew or soup or something. Stick around, will ya? Okay, welcome back. It is brown, so now I'm going to attempt to add a little flour one-handed. This will be cool. I saw it in a cartoon once. Okay. And now I'm going to deglaze it. I'm going to add some, what am I going to add? Sorry, where was I? Some wine, tomato paste, and something else. Some oil or something, I don't know. I'll be back. Hey, I remembered. I added a cup of red wine. I happen to have a bottle of pretty good Cocoa Bond. I like Cocoa Bond. And a cup of what? Oh, broth. I used vegetable broth. And now I'm gonna squeeze in 2 tablespoons of this stuff. And I don't know what I'm doing next. We'll see. Okay, next we're gonna pop on the lid and cook it for 15 minutes. And then we'll open it, add more stuff, and get to cooking some more. Okay, it's finished, the 15 minutes. You ready? Here we go. Once I let off some steam, got some carrots. Chopped up some onion and celery, and I'm gonna add some garlic, and what else? Some bay leaves and maybe a little bit of spice. Spice things up, and we'll do it another 15 minutes, and hopefully we'll have us some good stew. Okay. It's done. Let's let off some steam and see if I ruined it or I kicked it. By the way, I like this cooker. It's like the Ninja Fruity, but I have 2 lids instead of one that folds up, and you have to figure out how to have room for everything. Of course, it's a pain figuring out what to do with an extra lid sometimes, but it's got the separate air fryer lid, and it does all the exact same stuff as the Foodie. It's identical to the Instant Pot, except it's got the air fryer lid. And oh, it's smelling good. Let's see. Let go, let go. No, we will not let you go. Let me go. No, we will not let you go. Let me go. Ooh. Let me put the lid down. Hold on. So I'm going to add some of this. It gives it good flavor. And then I'll stir it and I'll taste it. And let's see how it comes out. Okay, it smells good. Let's see if it tastes good. Let's get a little carrot here, or not. Here we go. It tastes kind of like stew or something. So, that's what we're going with for supper. I know it's not griddle pouring, but it will have to do. So thanks for watching, y'all, and have a great day. Bye!